All right, well, today we saw a lot of that rain and even a few severe storms, but tonight everything is beginning to quiet down for us, and tomorrow it looks to be quiet for us as well. And it looks like temperatures will try to bounce their way back into the 80s, but not quite as warm as what we have been seeing as of recently, and especially not as warm as what we saw yesterday with a high of 86 degrees, low yesterday at 65. Both of those numbers well off of their averages. We have had this very warm air mass in place over the last few days. So conditions have been warm and muggy for us with high humidity and even close to record breaking. 86 yesterday. Record was at 88 degrees back in the year of 2008. Well, today, cooler with the rain in place. Only made it up to 77 in Marquette, 80 degrees in Iron Mountain, 78 in Manistee, at 78 over in Munising. And our current winds coming in from the south at 5 in Houghton, 6 right now in Munising, 5 in Escanaba, and Iron Mountain sitting at 5 all in Marquette. We are at 7 miles per hour. Now, we are expecting these to die off as we head into the evening, below 5 miles per hour, maybe right around 1 or 2. So not expecting much wind at all. And then as we head into tomorrow, it looks like we'll see more of that southeasterly wind. But spotty showers, they are coming to an end for us right now. And tomorrow, with skies beginning to break apart, we'll see a nice Thursday afternoon. A few of those clouds will be around during the morning, but we'll see more of that sun as we head on into the evening hours. And remaining humid. It looks like that humidity will stay with us as we go into the end of the work week, on into the weekend, before eventually beginning to come to an end as we go into the beginning of next work week with a new air mass that will be taking control of the region, and that will mean temperatures a lot different for us as well. But here's a look at your setup. Showers beginning to work their way off to the south and east, still keeping that humidity in place. And look at the heat beginning to surge back into the northern plains. That will arrive once again as we go later on into the weekend, or at least the beginning of the weekend, as we'll see those temperatures back into the mid 80s. So a bit of an increase for us in temperatures from what we will see on tomorrow. But here's a look as we go into our Thursday. You'll notice that the rain should be out of here. Temperatures beginning to warm up once again, looking out for near 100 degrees into the northern plains. For us, won't be quite as warm, but we will see more of those lower 80s. And this weekend, looking out for another disturbance that will be entering, getting closer to a Sunday. That will provide us a chance of rain. But Saturday looks to be nice, but once again, as I told you before, it does start to warm up for us, and we'll see more of that heat and humidity. Futurecast throughout the night showing that conditions will remain quiet for us as the rain moves off to the south and to the east. We'll see more of that sun heading into Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening. And then as we go into our Friday, more of the quiet conditions with that next system just off to our west, bringing in more of that heat and humidity, and eventually arriving with rain as we get into Sunday. Tonight, though, we'll drop down to 61 degrees, cloudy with showers ending. Winds should be light for us, and heading into Thursday, a mix of sun and clouds with winds out of the southeast at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Upper 70s in Lawrence at 82 degrees in Ontonagon, calling for more of the lower 80s in Coastal Falls, Florence, and in Iron Mountain. We'll be looking out for more of the upper 70s in Escanaba and Manistee. Munising at 81 degrees. Marquette, we will be at 78, so a lot cooler than what we saw on Tuesday and Monday, and a little warmer than what we saw today because of the clouds and rain in place. Your day planner will start off at 60 degrees tomorrow morning, seeing fewer of those clouds into the afternoon with highs in the upper 70s, and by tomorrow night, only dropping down to 66, another muggy and sticky evening for us. 78 on Thursday, warming a bit as we head into Friday, and up to 85 as we go into Saturday with lows in the upper 60s. So over the weekend, we'll see a lot of that stickiness and humidity in place for us with a chance of rain as we get into Sunday. Monday, we'll see chances linger for us as we will see temperatures begin to drop off just a bit, down into the lower 80s. And Tuesday and Wednesday, that's when the real cool-off will arrive, as we'll see highs in the upper 60s on Tuesday and Wednesday, and lows a lot more comfortable than the 60s, but maybe even a little cool as we go into Tuesday and Wednesday morning with lows in the 40s.